Good morning students, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Today we are going to start chapter 5 Introduction to Scratch Programming. So let's start. As we know, computer follow stepwise instruction to complete any task, or we can say any work. Okay, so definitely computer needs stepwise instruction to complete any task, okay, which is known as program. So tasks can be addition, subtraction, division, playing game, playing video, playing song, etc. Okay, which is known as program. That means instruction is known as program, or we can say group of instruction or collection of instruction is known as program. Understood? A program is also called software, which tells the computer what to do. Here we can say collection of program is called software, or group of program is called software, which tells the computer what to do. Without software we cannot operate the computer. Okay, suppose you want to add anything, you want to subtract anything, then you need calculator software to the action. Understood? Now the language used to write program is called programming language. The language used to write program is called programming language. So we can say it's a platform where we can write program. Understood? And the person who writes the program is called programmer. Okay. Now Scratch is a computer programming language. This is very important. Okay. Scratch is a computer programming language that lets you create animation, games, art, story, etc. using blocks of code. Okay, so this Scratch programming, this also a programming language that allow us to create animation, games, art, story, etc. using blocks of code. Okay, when we open this application or software, we'll get some codes to create animation, games, art, story, etc. Now how to start Scratch programming in your computer. So we have two steps. Now let me read out this step, then I'll show you the practical. Okay, so step number 1, click Scratch icon available on computer desktop. Step number 2, the Scratch editor window will appear on the screen. Okay, so we have two steps that we have to follow for opening Scratch programming. Okay, Scratch programming. Now let me show you the practical. So first you have to find out the icon on desktop. So this particular area is called desktop. Okay, so here we have the icon, Scratch icon, you can see. Now you have to click here. Okay, as you click you will get the Scratch programming on your screen. Okay, so this is the interface where we supposed to write the code for some task. Okay, for animation, for game and all. Understood? Now let me show you once again. First find out the icon on desktop. So here we have the icon, just double click on it. Okay, as you click you will get the application on your screen. Understood? Now another method, we have to start this application. For that you need to click on start button, then here you will get list of application. Now you have to find out the icon, Scratch icon. Now you can see here we have the Scratch icon. Now single click on it. Okay, now single click on it. As you click you will get the application on your screen. Understood? So this is how you can start Scratch programming in your computer. Okay, now we have components of Scratch editor. So first we have sprite. Each object appearing on the stage is termed as sprite. So we have two important points here. First is stage and second is sprite. Okay, now let me explain you one by one. So this is the application. Okay, this white background which you can see on the screen is called stage here. Okay, it's called stage, and this cat icon is here sprite. Okay, this cat icon is here sprite. Understood? This white background is here stage and this cat icon is here sprite. So by default it is showing cat icon. By default cat icon here you can see, but this you can change according to your desire. Understood? Now So sprite can be posted from the library, that can be changed from the library. That means another sprite we can insert from the library, or image from the camera, or we can click the image from the camera, or we can create through the paintbrush option will be there. From there we can create our own sprite. Understood? In other words, we can say sprite is a small graphic character that perform action in a Scratch project. Sprite is a small graphic character that perform action in a Scratch project. Okay, so this is the stage, and here only this sprite supposed to perform the action. Okay, now let me show you how to perform the action, perform some action. Okay, now I'm going to click here. Now you see the result here. This is how you can give the command, and accordingly this object will work or will perform the action. Okay, now you can see I've given -100, that's why it's coming backward direction. Okay, now if I give 100, then it will move forward direction. Understood? So this particular area is called here stage, and this is sprite. Okay, now let me show you how to change the sprite. So this is library, so from here only we are going to change the sprite. Okay, so for that you need to click on this option. Now here you can see the options like animals, fantasy, letters, people, things, transportation. Suppose you want another sprite, suppose butterfly. Okay, just click on this, then click on OK. Now you can see that came on the stage. Okay, so this is the way to insert sprite in your stage. Understood? Let me show you once again. First click on library option, then here we have the option. Suppose I want some object from the transportation, then click on that, then you will get the options here. Suppose I want this bus, just click on that, then finally click on OK. Now you can see on the stage. Okay, so this is how you can insert on the stage. Now let me show you how to create your own sprite. For that you need to click on this paint new sprite, then you will get paint editor. Now here you can draw. As example you can see on the screen. Suppose I want to use this as a sprite, so after making just click on OK option. Okay, now you can see it on the stage as you can see on the screen. Okay, so this is how you can use this option to insert or create your own sprite. Understood? Now stage. The stage is a platform where objects appear while creating an animation, or it is the main working area where the sprite moves and perform action as per the given instruction. Okay, as I have already explained you, this white background is here stage and this is sprite. Okay, so this sprite is going to perform some action in this particular area only. Let me show you once again. When I click here, it will move in this area only. Okay, so this is a stage where the sprite is going to perform some action according to given command. Okay, whether it is in forward direction, backward direction, top, down. Okay, everything will be done in this particular area, and that area is called stage. Okay, understood? So children, today we have discussed program, software, programming language, what is a Scratch, then how to start Scratch programming in your computer, then components where we have seen sprite and stage. I hope everything is clear to you? Thank you.